Philippine Green Building Code. So, part pa rin to ng tropical design natin. So, Philippine Green Building Code of 2015. Okay, let's go with number 1. Number 1 is the practice of adopting measures that promote resource management efficiency and site sustainability while minimizing the negative impact of buildings on human health and the environment. This practice complements the conventional building design concerns of economy, durability, serviceability, and comfort. A. Green architecture. B. Green building. C. Bioclimatic architecture. Or D. Tropical building. Yes, ang sabi ni Sir Rothschild, good day. Yan ang mga sagot natin. Letter B, green building. Mag-i-spray lang ako sa throat ko, biglang kumatik. Okay, mga sagot natin. Letter B. Letter B starts with Kyra, Rothschild, Portia, Job, Ami Venus, Jonaline, Vanji, Ariel. Letter B. And green building. And correct answer natin para sa number 1 is green building. Okay, congrats sa lahat ng sumagot ng letter B. Number 2, the provision of the Green Building Code shall apply to all new construction and or with alteration of buildings in the following classification with a required minimum total gross floor area or TGFA. For residential dwelling condominium, what is the required TGFA? So, meron tayong mga basis na TGFA kung saan kailangan nang i-require ang isang project for the Green Building Code. So A, 10,000, B, 15,000, C, 20,000, D, 5,000 square meters. Okay, ang mga sagot natin, letter C, 20,000. And letter C starts with Jonaline, Kyra, Ariel, MJ, Rothschild, Job, and Portia. Letter C. Okay, letter C, 20,000 is correct. So, for residential, minimum na TGFA is 20,000. And number 3, for institutional hospital, what is the required minimum TGFA? So, minimum A, 10,000 square meter, B, 15,000 square meter, C, 20,000 square meter, or D, 5,000 square meter. At ang mga sagot natin, letter A, 10,000 square meters, starting with Kyra, Ami Venus, Job, Jonaline, Renmark, Portia, Ariel, Rothschild, and MJ. Letter A, 10,000. So, institutional hospital. And 10,000 is correct. So, nakapag-advance reading na kayo, no, ng Green Building Code. That's good. And number 4, for mercantile mall, what is the required minimum? Di ko siya nalagyan ng minimum. What is the required minimum TGFA? A, 10,000, B, 15,000, C, 20,000, or D, 5,000. At ang mga sagot natin, letter B, 15,000. Starting with Renmark. Tama ba? Kay Renmark ba? Yes, starting with Renmark, Kyra, Job, Jonalyn, Portia, MJ, Ariel, Rochil, and Chandli. Okay. 15,000 is correct. Galing ha? Okay, so ito yung table 1 ng Green Building Code. Use occupancy classification tapos TGFA as defined by NBC. Sa residential dwelling condominium, meron tayong 20,000 square meter, hotel resort 10,000, educational school 10,000, institutional hospital 10,000, business office 10,000, mercantile mall 15,000, and excuse me po, and mixed occupancy is also 10,000. Gano yung boses ko? Yung, excuse me ha. Okay, sabi dito, number 1, for residential dwelling condominium, the TGFA is the sum of the dwelling areas, common and accessory areas within the building. Para dun naman sa number 2, mixed occupancy, the areas for mixed occupancy classification shall have a total aggregate area equal to the TGFA. So ito lang naman, no? Madali lang siyang tandaan. Residential 20, mall 15, the rest 10,000. Okay, so let's go with number 5. And number 5, the following are the Green Building Code performance standards except A. Energy efficiency, B. Water efficiency, C. Site efficiency, or D. Solid waste management. Answer?
Hello, it's me.
Answers: Paris C,
Yes.
Portia C, Job C, Ariel C, Renmark C, MJ C, Shandy C, Rachel C, Jonalyn C, lahat po C.
Okay, yan. Thank you, Camille. Welcome back. It's nice to hear you. Buti na lang nandito ka. Nagano na naman ang boses ko eh. Okay, so letter C tayo. Yan, meron pang humabol. Letter C, site efficiency. And correct answer natin is letter C, site efficiency. So bakit hindi ang site efficiency? Why? Okay, so ano ba ang mga performance standards? Okay, performance standards are energy efficiency, water efficiency, material sustainability, solid waste management, site sustainability, and indoor environmental quality. Yes, sabi ni Job, site sustainability. Correct. Correct, Job. So, ito yung mga performance standards ng Green Building Code. And number 6 requires the adoption of efficient practices, designs, methods, and technologies that reduce energy consumption, resulting in cost savings. A. Energy efficiency, B. Water efficiency, site sustainability, or D. Solid waste management. Answer?
Answers: Ami Venus A, Job A, Renmark A, Jonalyn A, Shandy A, Von A, Cara A, Portia A, MJ A, lahat po A.
Okay, letter A. And letter A is correct. Kasi sabi dito, reduce energy consumption. So unang ano to no, unang performance standard, energy efficiency. Okay, let's go with number 7. Number 7, as the humidity levels are very high in the Philippines, the unwanted infiltration and humidity ingress into the spaces can cause additional load on the air conditioning system and the detrimental impact on air quality. Buildings must be planned and designed with the specific details to ensure that blank is maximized. A. Natural ventilation. B. Glass properties. C. Building envelope color. D. Air tightness and moisture protection.
Answers, Jap D, Renmark D, Kyra D, Rachel D, lahat po D.
Okay, meron pa bang sasagot? Except sa D. Sa'yo, Camille. Anong sagot mo, Camille? Change of heart. Meron ba diyang mag-change of heart? Sabi dito, humidity. Unwanted infiltration. Okay.
Shandy E, Portia A.
Okay, meron ng dalawang nag-letter A. Tatlo na sila. 4.
Rachel A, Sandy A.
Sa'yo, Camille, anong sagot mo nga?
8 nga.
A. A. A ka na rin o D?
A po.
A. Okay, so
All A.
meron ng marami nang sumagot ng letter A. And correct answer natin is letter D.
Makalakas makabudol si sir.
Okay, so kailangan daw i-maximize ang air tightness. Sure ba to? Nasa isip ko kanina, kailangan i-maximize natural ventilation. With the specific details to ensure that C, sana kaya lang may color, sabi ni Romulo. Okay, congratulations sa mga nag-letter D na hindi nagpabudol. Kahit ako nabudol ako eh. Akala ko natural, nakalimutan ko. Akala ko natural ventilation. So, kasi sinasabi dito, humidity, unwanted infiltration, tapos can cause additional load. So, tapos may moisture protection. Check nga natin. Baka namali ako ng sagot. Check natin ha. Check natin. Yes, air tightness. Tama. Tama yan, air tightness. Ano siya eh? Section 10, energy efficiency. And section 10.1, building envelope. And 10.1.1, air tightness and moisture protection. So, letter A, general. Okay, tama. So, tama ang sagot natin. Air tightness, under siya ng Section 10, energy efficiency. Okay, correct. Correct. Letter D. Congrats sa ating mga letter D. Si Romulo. Si Rochil nag-change of heart eh. Si Kyra, si Renmark, si Job. Okay, let's go with number 8. So, sa number 7, air tightness and moisture protection. Uh, Buildings shall be planned and designed with complete gasket, weather stripping, door bottom sweeps, and seals within and around window and door assemblies. 2. Moisture protection on the surface of the external facade to reduce vapor or moisture migration from external spaces. So yung exemption nito, buildings and spaces without provisions for air conditioning systems are exempted. So hindi kailangan ng itong section na to, section 10.1.1 sa mga buildings na walang sa natural ventilated. Okay, let's go with number 8. Compared to wall assemblies, blank transfers more heat, and hence it is ideal to reduce the amount with respect to the wall in order to reduce internal heat gains. A. Natural ventilation. B. Glass properties. C. Building envelope color. Or D. Roof insulation.
Answers. Kyra B, Wency B, Shakti B, Renmark B, Sandy B, Portia B, Rachel B, Jap B, Jonalyn B, lahat po B.
Okay, letter B. Letter B. Glass properties transfer more heat. Oo nga naman. So, letter B, glass properties is correct. And number 9 is used to determine the amount of solar heat admitted through the glass divided by the total solar radiation incident on the glass. A. Solar heat gain coefficient. B. Visible light transmittance. C. Window to wall ratio. D. R value. Answer?
Answers. Kyra A, Jap A, Sandy A, Portia A, Rachel A, lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A. Solar heat gain coefficient. Okay, ito lang naman ang merong letter A, ang merong solar. So, letter A is correct. And number 10 is used to determine the amount of light transmitted through the glass. A. Solar heat gain coefficient. B. Visible light transmittance. C. Window to wall ratio. Or D. R value. Answer?
Answers. Sandy B, Portia B, Kyra B, Jap B, Shandy B, Rachel B, Renmark B, MJ B, lahat po B.
Okay, lahat B. Visible light transmittance. So, nung nakaraang tropical natin, nabanggit na rin natin to, no? Itong dalawang to. So, letter B is correct. And number 11, the requirement of blank needs to be balanced with the amount of daylight coming through the glaze area. A. Solar heat gain coefficient. B. Visible light transmittance. C. Window to wall ratio. Or D. R value.
Answers. Jap C, Kyra C, Portia C, Shandy C, Sandy C, MJ C, Rachel C, Lahat po C, Bon C.
Okay, lahat C, window to wall. The requirement of window to wall ratio needs to be balanced, okay? So letter C is correct. And number 12, as per section 10.1.2.c, table 2, what is the maximum solar heat gain coefficient for WWR, or wall to ratio? Wall to wall ratio 10. 10. A 0.80, B 0.60, C 0.45, or D 0.47.
Answers, Landmark A, Drop A, Kyra A, Rachel A, Portia A, Shandy A. Lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A 0.80. Tama ba ang 0.80? Correct answer natin para sa number 12 is letter A, 0.80. Congrats! Galing ah. And number 13. So, as per section 10.1.2.c, table 2, what is the minimum BLT for a WWR 60? A 0.50, B 0.60, C 0.40, or D 0.80. Answer?
Answers, Landmark A, Drop A, Portia A, Kyra A, Rachel A, and J A. Lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A. 0.50, and 0.50 is correct. And number 14, what is the maximum SHGC for a WWR 70? A 0.80, B 0.60, C 0.45, or D 0.47.
Answers, Romulo C.
Okay, letter C ang sagot ni Romulo. Okay, letter C, 0.45 daw. Wala nang ibang sasagot. And correct answer natin para sa number 14 is letter C. Congrats! Yan. 0.31 si Renmark. Si Portia, letter C. Okay, congrats sa dalawang nakakuha ng tamang sagot. And number 15, as per section 10.1.2.c, table 2, what is the minimum BLT for a WWR 90? Excuse me. A 0.50, B 0.55, C 0.40, or D 0.35?
Answers, Jack D, Portia D, Kyra D, Shandy D, Sandy D, Rachel D, lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D. And letter D is correct. And number 6, okay, ito yung table 2 ng solar heat gain coefficient and visible light transmittance for different WWR. Para sa 10, meron tayong 0.8 na SHGC maximum. Minimum BLT niya 0.80, then 20, 30. And number 16, sir, yung number 14. Number 14. Wait lang ah. Number 14. Balik tayo sa number 14. $70 maximum. 0.40. 31 dapat. BLT yung 45. 14. Yun nga. 31 dapat to. So, BLT pala tong 45, no? Wait lang ah. Okay, naipost ko pala yung recording. Hindi ko na ibalik. Okay, so mga sagot natin. Letter A, 86 to 92. Ilang ano rin yung nawala sa recording. And correct is letter A. And number 21. Lumabas na. Light to medium green. Lumabas na number 4. Wait lang ah. Tago lang natin. Tago. Ba't hindi siya Okay. So, okay, number 21. What is the SRI of dark gray metal surfaces? A, 0 to 41, B, 0 to 33, C, 23 to 30, D, 35 to 38.
Answers, Portia A, Janice A, Kyra A, Sandy A, Trexie A, Von A, Shandy A, Jap A, Rachel A, lahat po A, Ariel A, lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A, 0 to 41. And 0 to 41 is correct. So yung pinakamababa. Ito pang 0 to 33 pala ang pinakamababa. So ito yung mga SRI ng ating mga metal surfaces. So 0 to 33 is dark brown. Dark gray, 0 to 41. Okay, sabi, building metal roof surfaces shall have either be colored white or have a minimum SRI of 70. So yung mga nag-i-industrial, modern industrial, ginagamit nila is dark gray. So hindi na sumusunod sa green building code. And number 22, this can help reduce heat gain in a building, thus improving thermal comfort, acoustic quality, and reducing the load on the air conditioning system. A. Mechanical system, B. Electrical system, C. Water heating system, or D. Roof insulation.
Answers. Ren Mark D, James D, Portia D, Jab D, Shandy D, Kyra D, Rodin D, Sandy D, lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D. Roof insulation. And roof insulation is correct. And number 23, as per section 10.4.6, table 6, what is the R value of polyurethane roof insulation? A. 5.6 to 8, B. 5.5 to 6, C. 4.2 to 4.5, or D. 5.6 to 6.5.
Answers. Jab D, Ren Mark D, Sandy D, Kyra D, Portia D, Shandy D, lahat po D. Rachel D.
Okay, lahat D. 5.6 to 6.5 is correct. Number 24. What is the R value of mineral fiber roof insulation? A. 5.6 to 8, 5.5 to 6, 4.2 to 4.5, or D. 5.6 to 6.5.
Answers. Kyra C, Ren Mark C, Portia C, Sandy C, Jab C, Rachel C, lahat po C.
Okay, lahat C. 4.2 to 4.5. Correct. And number 25, reflective bubble foil roof insulation. A. 3.6, B. 1 to 11, C. 2.4, or D. 4.3. Answer?
Answers. Jab B, Kyra B, Rachel B, Portia B, Ren Mark 1 to 1.5, ay 1.1.
1.1 ba yan? Hindi 11? Okay, 1.1. Sorry. So, ayusin na natin 1.1. 1.1 pala. May point pala. Sorry. Sana ba yan? Naduling ako. May point pala siya. Oo nga no, may point. Sorry ah. Naduling ako. May point pala. Hindi ko nakita yung point. Tapos, okay, 1.1. Okay, mga letter B tayo. Salamat sa correction, Renmark. And letter B is correct. So, R value of common roof insulation, table 6, pag hemp 3.5, reflective bubble foil 1 to 1.1. Ito naman inches, no? Inches 5.6 to 8 inches. Polysocyanurate. Okay, let's go with number 26. Air conditioning typically accounts for more than 50% of total electricity costs in a centrally air-conditioned building. Hence, the efficiency of an air conditioning system is of prime importance. A. Air conditioning system. B. Electrical system. C. Water heating system. Or D. Mechanical system. Ilang beses na
Answers.
banggit.
Mark A, Portia A, Kyra D, Jap A, Janice A, Shandy A, Quincy A, Sandy A, Rachel A, James A, Kara, change to A, Eugene A, Lato A.
Ilang beses nang nabanggit yung air conditioning system. Okay, tamang sagot natin. Anong section ba to? Tama ba yan? Air conditioning system. So, section 10.5. And correct answer natin is air conditioning system. Pero under siya ng mechanical system. Then, section 10.5.1, air conditioning system. And number 27, as per table 7, what is the minimum efficiency of through the wall air cooled split system? A14 SEER, B12 C10, D11.5.
Answers, Mark B, Quincy B, Jap B, Sandy B, Rachel B, Lato B.
Okay, lahat B. And letter B is correct. And number 28, as per table 7, what is the minimum efficiency of air conditioners air-cooled single package? 9.5 EER, B 11.3 EER, C 10 EER, or D 11.6 EER?
Answers, Quincy B, Von D,
Okay, dalawa lang yung sumasagot and si Rochil. D.
Jap D, Lato D.
Okay, lahat D. 11.6 energy efficiency ratio or EER. And letter D is correct. So, table 7, electrically operated unitary air conditioners and condensing unit. And number 29, as per table 8, what is the minimum efficiency of water-chilled packages, air-cooled absorption, single effect? A 0.60, B 10, C 0.78, D 0.62. Answer?
Answers: Wency A, Landmark A, Janice A, Portia A, Shandy A, Job A, Rachel A, lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A. 0.60 is correct. And number 30, as per table 8, what is the minimum efficiency of water-chilled packages, water-cooled, electrically operated, centrifugal, greater than 150 tons and less than 300 tons? A. 0.60, B. 0.576, C. 0.78, or D. 0.634.
Answers: Landmark D, Job D, Portia D, Kayla D, Shandy D, Wency D, lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D.
Rachel
0.634. And 0.634 is correct. So, table 8, water chiller packages. And number 31, the use of energy efficient blank system in buildings by observing minimum power performance requirements will help reduce energy consumption due to heating of water. A. Air conditioning system, B. Electrical system, C. Water heating system, D. Mechanical system.
Answers: Landmark C, Job C, Shandy C, Sandy C, Kayla C, Portia C, Rachel C, lahat po C.
Okay, lahat C. Water heating system. And letter C is correct. Galing ah. And number 32, as per table 9, what is the minimum performance requirement of electric water heater 12 kilowatts? A. Efficiency is, ano ba tong SL? A, B, C, D. Bahala na kayong magbasa. What is EF? Energy efficiency is greater than or equal to 0.97. B. SL is less than or equal to 20 plus. Letter C. EF is greater than or equal to 2.0. And letter D. EF is greater than or equal to 0.82. Hanap-hanap sa Green Building Code.
Hello, it's
Yon, ang
me.
bilis ni Wency.
Answers: Wency
Nakita na ni Wency sa table.
A, Job A, Rachel A, Sandy A, Kyra A, lahat po A, Portia A.
Okay, lahat A. And letter A is correct. So, ito yung table 9, minimum performance requirement for water heating equipment. Ito yata yung, dito yata yung nung June kumuha ng question. Diba? Sa mga okay. So, let's go with number 33. As per table 9, what is the minimum performance requirement of pool heaters, oil and gas? A. Greater than or equal to R minus 12.5. B. E is greater than or equal to 80%. C. E is greater than or equal to 78%. Or D. Greater than or equal to 4.0 COP.
Answers: Drop C, Renmark C, Joanne C, Portia C, Wency C, Paradise C, Pacho C, lahat po C.
Okay, lahat letter C. And letter C is correct. Table 9. Minimum performance requirement for water heating equipment. And number 34. Di ko lang sure kung kasi yung nag-exam pa nung nung June. Hindi ko sure Porsche. Siguro familiarize lang. No need to memorize. Parang hirap namang i-memorize niya, no? Ang dami kaya nung table na yun. Familiarize lang. Sa MP, sa Master Plumber. Romulo, meron bang binigay na table sa sa exam? Binibigay ba pag question tong green building code? Yung mga ganon? May binigay bang table? Ito si Romulo nag-exam to nung wala. Okay, Porsche, wala daw Porsche. So, lang siguro, familiarize how to absorb. Yan lang. Siguro constant reading lang, no, para mag mag magtanda sa memory natin. Okay, gawan nyo ng gawan nyo ng flashcard. Need a big brain. Malay nyo, hindi na ilabas ni Architect Tandok. Kasi si Architect Tandok ang in charge dito eh. Idikit sa wall, sabi ni Rochin. Kung lagi kang nandun sa room mo, mas maganda. Pero kung nagwo-work ka, tapos darating ka sa, di ba? Kung the whole day nasa room ka, mas maganda yung wall. Idikit sa motor. Ilagay nyo sa basta sa cellphone. Kahit nasaan ka, tingnan mo lang sa cellphone. Dati ako ginawa ko wallpaper eh. Ginawa kong wallpaper yung mga density ng steel. Para pag mag-open ako ng cellphone, nakikita ko siya. So cellphone ko yung mga densities. Okay. So sa cellphone lang, para kahit nasaan ka, nasa CR ka, kasi everyday, lagi ka naman nagche-check ng cellphone eh. So, kaya ako dati ang cellphone ko, punong-puno ng reviewer. Mga screenshot, mga galing sa Facebook. Okay, so number 34. Describe the equipment used to control the speed of machinery by changing the frequency of the motor that is being operated. Where process conditions demand adjustment of flow from pump or fan, varying the speed of the drive may save energy compared with other techniques for flow control. A. Air conditioning system. B. Electrical system. C. Water heating system. Or D. Variable speed drive. Ba't hindi kita naririnig, Camille? Okay, mga sagot natin. Yun. Hindi
Hello,
kita
sir.
narinig. Yan, narinig na kita.
Answers: Portia D. Ren, Mark D. Sandy D. Janice D. Rachel D. Jap D. Ariel D. Rogen D. Kyra D. Shandy D. Lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D. And letter D is correct. Buti nga kayo, no eh. Alam nyo na na lalabas ang Green Building Code. Kasi yung mga nag-exam nung June, di ba? Talagang hindi natin ine-expect ang Green Building Code. Pero ako dati, sabi ko nga, nung nalaman ko na si Architect Tandok, tapos, di ba, more on green building, green architecture siya. So, in-expect ko talaga na lalabas ang mga sa tropical green building. Okay, let's go with number 35. Okay, requirement ng variable speed drive. All motors for mechanical over 5 kilowatt shall be provided with variable drive and high efficiency motors in accordance with Table 10. All motors of cooling towers shall be provided with variable speed drive and high efficiency motors. Okay, all motors for domestic pumps shall have high efficiency motors. Exceptions: kitchen ventilation fans are exempted from this requirement. Non-centralized air conditioning system in building are not required to employ variable speed controllers. Well, let's go with number 35. Number 35, as per section 10.5.3, table 10, what is the motor efficiencies of 1 horsepower, 2 poles, 3,600 RPM? A, 77, B, 84, C, 85.5, or D, 86.5?
Answers: Mark A. Janice A. Sandy A. Kyra A. Rachel A. Lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A. And letter A is correct. Okay, table 10, motor efficiencies. And as per table 10, what is the motor efficiencies of 10 horsepower, 6 poles, 1,200 RPM? A, 94.1, B, 9.5, C, 91.7, D, 90.2. Siguro 90.5 to, hindi 99.5.
Answers: Mark C. Sandy C. Janice C. Jap C. Rachel C. Francis C. Lahat po C.
Okay, lahat C, 91.7. Love Radio. And letter C is correct. So, 10 horsepower. Tapos, 6 poles, 91.7. So, yung 9.5, 90.5. 90 point. Number 37, when buildings have outside air or fresh air supply and extract system, through mechanical means, using heat exchanger can use the air extracted from the building areas to precondition the incoming outdoor air. A. Occupancy sensors for lighting control. B. Enthalpy recovery of exhaust air. D. C. Water heating system. D. Variable speed system. Paano i-memorize? Gawin mong kanta rin, Mark. Di ba pag sa kanta, madali nating i-memorize yung lyrics? Try mo rin, Mark. Gawin mong kanta kahit to the tune of Baby You're My Angel. Palagay ko hindi naman na yun siguro.
Answers: Janice B, Portia B, Jack B, Kyla B, Rogin B, Sandy B, Wency B, Rachel B, lahat po B.
Okay, letter B. And letter B, sabi ni Job, chicken lang daw yung table. Sabi niya, parang table of elements lang. Wow. Okay, familiarize lang. Kasi pag memorize natin, tapos nakalimutan natin, biglang na may mental block tayo, di ba? So kung familiar, pagdating sa exam, familiar. Familiar sa akin to, familiar. January 27 daw ba ang exam? Meron na ba kayong date ng exam? Mas maganda nga no kung January 27, no? Matagal. Wala pa. Kasi di ba naging maaga ng mga exam. Okay, ang mga sagot natin sa number 37, letter B. And letter B, enthalpy recovery system is exhaust. And number 38, building should be planned and designed to maximize the use of natural light, so to reduce the use of artificial illumination. A. Occupancy sensors for lighting control. B. Lighting power density. C. Daylight controlled lighting system. Or D. Daylight provision. Yung mga past SKED, di ba naging mas, nung June, naging 17, 18 ba yun? Yung sa amin, January, ganyan, 20, possible. Kasi nung kami rin, January, last 3 weeks, last week of January. Yes, nung June 17-19, pero January 140 days na lang, sabi ni Portia. So mag-start na ba tayo mag-counting?
Answers: Mark D, Jack D, Rogin D, Shandy D, Janice D, lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D. And letter D is daylight provision is correct. Daylight kasi. Natural light. Daylight. So requirements for daylight provision, kailangan daw merong window, light shelf, clerestory, skylight, light monitor or light scoop, and other devices that can allow daylight inside. Exception spaces where daylight access hinders its intended function are exempted from this provision with justification for exemption. And number 39, building interior perimeter zones exposed to daylight generally do not require artificial lighting during the day. However, suboptimal design and operation of the building results in use of artificial lighting when not required. A. Occupancy sensors for lighting control. B. Lighting power density. C. Daylight controlled lighting system. Or D. Daylight provision.
Answers. Carla C. Porsche C. Lanmark C. Johnny C. Shandy C. Job C. Lahat po C.
Okay, lahat C. Daylight controlled lighting system is correct. Okay, requirements. Lighting fixtures within the daylight zone shall be controlled with photoelectric sensors with an auto on-off basis or continual dimming. The photoelectric sensor shall be located approximately at half the depth of daylight zone. If occupancy sensors are installed in the daylight zone, the occupancy sensor shall override the photoelectric sensor during non-occupancy period. Exceptions: installed lighting fixtures within the day-lit zones are exempted from using photoelectric sensors if this hinders its intended function with justification for exemption. And number 40, as per section 10.6.3 table 11, what is the maximum allowed LPD for hotel or resort? A 12.9, B 12, C 10.5, D 10.8.
Answers. Landmark D. Job D. Janice D. Shandy D. Kyra D. Porsche D. Von D. Lahat po D. Rachel D.
Okay, lahat D 10.8. 10.8 is correct. And number 41, as per 10.63 table 11, what is the maximum allowed LPD for educational school? A 12.9, B 12, C 10.5, D 10.8.
Answers. Kyra A. Janice A. Porsche A. Von A. Shandy A. Job A. Landmark A. Lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A 12.9 is correct. And number 42, as per table 11, what is the maximum allowed LPD for covered parking? 12.9, 1.6, 3.2, 2.15.
Answers. Job C. Porsche C. Janice C. Shandy C. Rachel C. Lahat po C.
Okay, lahat C. 3.2. And 3.2 is correct. And number 43, table 11, what is the maximum allowed LPD for open and outdoor parking? A 12.9, B 1.6, C 3.2, D 2.15.
Answers: Landmark B, Janice B, Kyra B, Rojin B, Rachel B, Jap B, lahat po B,
Okay, lahat
Portia
B.
B.
1.6 is correct. As per table 11, what is the maximum allowed LPD for exterior facade? 12.9, 1.6, 3.2, 2.15.
Answers: Kyra D, Portia D, Rachel D, Landmark D, Jap D, lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D. 2.15 is correct. And number 45, what is the maximum allowed LPD for business office? 12.9, 12, 10.5, 10.8.
Answers: Kyra D, Landmark D, Portia D, Jap D, Shandy D, Rachel D, lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D. 10.8 is correct. So, table 11 and table 12. Number 46, this is linked to lighting shall be installed in areas with variable occupancy. A. Occupancy sensors for lighting control. B. Lighting power density. C. Daylight controlled lighting system. Or D. Daylight provision.
Answers: Portia A, Janice A, Dodge A, Shandy A, Jap A, Landmark A, Rachel A, lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A. A is correct. So, yan. So, lighting daw. Following areas, corridors, private offices, storage rooms, common toilet, meeting rooms, stairways, and other. So for covered car parks, minimum of 60% of the lighting must be controlled by the occupancy sensor. 60%. So itong sensor na to, no, pag walang tao, naka-off yung lighting. So pag merong occupied, saka siya iilaw. So nakakatipid ng energy. Nakakatakot yan, sir, pag hallway. Parang sinusundan ka ng dilim. Oo nga, eh, no? Yung biglang pagkalagpas mo dun sa ilaw na yun, mag-o-off. Tapos pagdating dun sa ano, merong sa dako. May white lady. Okay, so maganda yan. Thrill, nakaka-thrill Porsche. Ganyan ang i-design mo Porsche. Tapos hospital pa. Horror talaga. O kaya hotel, no? Tapos mga alas 3 ng madaling araw. Tapos pinapatayan ka ng ilaw habang lumalakad ka sa hallway. Okay, so let's go with number 47. Must be fitted with controls to automatically reduce speed or stop when no traffic is detected. Blank must be fitted with mechanisms to reduce energy demand. A transformers, B lighting power density, daylight controlled lighting, D elevator and escalators, moving ramps and walkways.
Answers: Jap D, Janice D, Kyra D, Portia D, Rachel D, Shandy D, lahat po.
Okay, lahat D, elevator and escalators is correct. So, ito yung requirement. Ito yung lumabas sa exam nung June. If escalator or moving ramp walkways shall be fitted with automated controls to reduce to a slower speed when no activity has been detected for a maximum period of 1.5 minutes, and duration may be adjusted depending on the demand. The escalator or moving ramp walkway shall automatically be put on a standby mode when no activity has been detected for a maximum period of 5 minutes, and duration may be adjusted depending on the demand. Use of alternating current, variable voltage, and variable frequency (VVF) drives on non-hydraulic elevators. Use of energy-efficient lighting and display in the elevator car shall have an average lamp efficacy across all fittings in the car of more than 55 lumens per watt, and lighting shall switch off after the elevator has been inactive for a maximum period of 5 minutes. Tapos, the elevator shall operate in a standby condition during off-peak periods. Off-peak periods. To, tinanong to, di ba? Off-peak. Kailan daw mag-standby ang elevator? Di ba, no? Romulo, tanda mo to? Okay, so 5 minutes and off-peak periods. Okay, let's go with number 48. Di ko maalala. Hindi mo maalala. Meron sa akin nagsabi niyan eh. Isa yan sa list ng mga lumabas. Okay, number 48. Transformers that are part of the building electrical system shall have efficiencies not lower than blank percent as prescribed in the DOE guidelines on energy conserving design of buildings. A 95%, B 100%, C 98%, D 85%.
Answers: Jap C, Wency C, Janice C, Sandy C, Portia C, Shandy C, Rachel C, lahat po C, 98%.
Okay,
Angelo C.
98%. Andiyan na si Angelo. And 98% is correct. Not lower than 98%. And 49, to reduce dependence on motorized system to supply and distribute potable or non-potable water within the building, thus help reduce energy consumption. Overhead or elevated water storage system are used, provided there's a blank percentage fire reserve over and above the average daily demand supply. A 50%, B 20%, C 35%, or D 40%. So, ilan ba?
Answers: Jap B, Landmark D, Portia B, Von B, Shandy B, Rachel B, lahat po B.
Okay, lahat B, 20% fire reserve. And letter B is correct. one to go bago tayo mag-break. And number 50 requires the adoption of efficient practices, plan, design, materials, fixtures, equipment, and methods that reduce water consumption, resulting in cost savings. A. Energy efficiency. B. Water efficiency. C. Site sustainability. D. Solid waste management.
Answers. Then mark B. Portia B. Shandy B. Sandy B. Von B. Ariel B. Hatcher B. Lahat po B. Rojin B.
Okay, letter B. And kasi nasabi na kasi dito, reduce water consumption. And that is, of course, letter B, water efficiency.
Beautiful.
Okay, 7:59. Let's go back. 8:05. 5 minutes break or 6-minute break. Break muna tayo. Water break, CR break, coffee break, snack break. Wag lang heart break. Magbabalik po tayo after 5 minutes. Back from the break. Okay, let's go with number 51. And number 51, use less water in order to perform the same function of cleaning as effectively as standard models. Water efficiency is an important aspect, especially as fresh water resources start getting depleted at a rate faster than they are replenished. A. Water fixtures. B. Water management. C. Water recycling. D. Water efficiency. Answer?
Hello, it's me.
Answers. Then mark A.
Okay, letter A ang sagot ni Renmark. And correct answer natin is letter A, water fixtures. And number 52, as per table 13, what is the maximum flow rate of dual flush water closet? A. Less than or equal to 6 pool. B. Less than or equal to 4.8. C. 4.9. Or D. Less than or equal to 1. Answer? Okay, anong mga sagot natin?
Answers. Then mark A. Janice A. Wensi A. Rojan A. Lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A. And letter A is correct. And number 53, as per table 13, what is the maximum flow rate of shower? A. less than 6, less than or equal 6 full. B, less than 9, less than or equal to 9 or 80 psi. C, less than or equal to 4.8 or 60 psi. Or D, 4.9.
Answers, Janice B. Login C. Denmark B. Locolo B. Shandy B. B or C po yung
Okay, B or C. And correct answer natin is letter B. Less than or equal to 980 psi. Okay, congrats kay Rochil, kay Shandli, kay Romulo, kay Renmark, and kay Janice. And number 54, as per table 13, what is the maximum flow rate of lavatory taps? Same choices, A, B, C, D.
answers. Mayflower C. Rogen C. Sandy C. Wency C. Renmark C. Shandy C. Janice C. Rachel C. Lahat po.
Okay, lahat C. Less than or equal to 4.860 psi is correct. And number 55, what is the maximum flow rate of single flush water closet? Same choices, A, B, C, D.
Answers. Mayflower D. Renmark D. Rogen D. Janice D. Shandy D. Rachel D. Lahat po D.
Okay,
Sandy D.
lahat letter D, 4.9, and 4.9 is correct. Okay, table 13, water fixture performance requirements. And number 56, rainwater is one of the purest sources of water available. Rainwater from roofs and hardscape must be collected and reused for non-potable purposes. A. Water mixture. B. Water management. C. Water recycling. Or D. Water efficiency. Sagot natin.
Hello, it's me.
Answers. Janice C. Portia B. Sandy B. Rogen D. Shandy B. Rachel B. C or B po yung sagot. Chinese changed to B. Angeli B.
Okay, lahat
Lahat
na
po.
letter B. Water management. And letter B is correct. Requirements: minimum storage tank size in cubic meter shall be calculated by dividing the building footprint area by 75. Collected water shall be used for non-potable purposes such as toilet flushing, irrigation, and cooling towers. And number 57, blank from sewage treatment plants, STP, shall be reused for non-potable purposes. A. Water fixture. B. Water management. Water recycling. Water efficiency.
Answers. Sandy C. Von C. Shandy C. Jap C. Rachel C. Portia C. Lahat po C.
Okay.
Janice C.
Okay, lahat C. Water recycling is correct. STP. Yung tubig galing sa STP. Kailangan i-recycle daw. Okay, so requirement, the recycled water produced on site shall be reused for non-potable purposes, such as toilet flushing, irrigation, and cooling towers through a distinct and separate piping system from the potable water supply system. Exceptions, buildings with no dedicated STP are exempted. Okay. And number 58 governs all matters related to resource efficiency and material selection and use with the least impact on the environment. A. Material sustainability. B. Indoor environmental quality. C. Site sustainability. Or D. Solid waste management.
Answers. Mayflower A. Von D. A. Portia A. Janice A. Rachel A. Shandy A. Angelo A. Sandy A. Jap A. Ariel A. Roger A. Lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A. Material sustainability is correct. And 59, refer to the building material without hazardous or toxic chemicals that could cause sick building syndrome and eventually lead to building related illness. A. Non-BOC materials. B. Non-toxic materials. C. Insanitary materials. D. Safe materials.
Answers. Jap B. Sandy B. Angelo B. Janice B. Shandy B. Portia B. Rachel B. Lahat po B.
Okay, lahat B. Non-toxic materials is correct. And number 60. Oops. And requirements sa non-toxic. Okay. So number 60 na tayo. As per table 14, what is the BOC limit of anti-rust paint? A. 100, B. 80, C. 65, D. 70. Sagot natin.
Hello,
250.
it's me.
250. Nawala sa choice ang 250. Anti-rust paint. Oh, ba't nawala ang 250? Ayan. Anti-rust paint. 250 nga. Yes. Tama, 250. So, correct answer is 250. So, change natin, number 60. 250 dapat. Bakit nawala? Nawala ang 250. Ayan. Okay na, 250 na tayo. So, 250. Letter A, 250. Ayan, 250 sabi ni Job, ni Portia, ni Kyra, ni Von. Ang galing naman. Ang galing, galing, galing. Thank you, thank you. So, number 61. As per table 14, what is the BOC limit of architectural sealant? A350, B550, C250, D50. Ito,
Answers:
mahirap na.
Maple C. Kyla C. Jenny C. Portia C. Sandy C. Shandy C. Jap C. Angelo C. Bon C. Lahat po C. Gretchen C.
Okay, lahat C, 250. 250 is correct. And number 62, what is the BOC limit of shellac clear? A100, B550, C430, D730.
Answers: Mayflower D. Portia D. Janice D. Jap D. Rachel D. Lahat po D. Angelo D. Sandy D.
Okay, letter D, 730 is correct. So, table 14, BOC limits. And number 63, what is the BOC limit of wood flooring adhesive? A50, B150, C250, D350.
Answers: Landmark 100, Portia 100, Jap
100 ba?
100.
Wood flooring adhesive. Kung ano, 100. Tama. Tama, 100. So, number ano nga tayo? 63, no? Dapat 100. Ups, sumobra. Naging 1,000. Yan. 100, sabi ni Bon. Galing. Okay, so ayan na. 100 na tayo and 100 is correct. Yan. Salamat kay Bon, kay Job, Janice, Portia, at si Renmark. Ay, 730, 100, and number 64. Mulit. 63. 64 na dapat to. PVC welding naman. Tama ba ang PVC welding? Meron ba sa choices? Okay, PVC welding. 300, 510, 450, 350.
Answers: Mayflower B. Janice B. Portia B. Jap B. Sandy D. Rachel B. Lahat po B.
63. Teka lang 64. So, 64 dapat to. 64. Okay, so sagot natin letter B, 510. 510 is correct. And number 65. What is the BOC limit of wood preservative? A300, B510, 450, 350.
Answers may for D. Janice D. Portia D. Shandy D. Jap D. Angelo D. Von D. Sandy D. Lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D, 350. 350 is correct. BOC limit. Okay, so yan ang continuation ng table 14. Oops, mali. Good, sorry. Okay, para naman sa BOC limit ng ceramic tile adhesive, 65, 70, 50, 100.
Answers Mayflower A. Janice A. Portia A. Sandy A. Von A. Rachel
Okay,
A. Jap
okay,
A.
letter A, 65. And 65 is correct. And number 67, efficient blank requires the adoption of efficient practices and use of eco-friendly materials. A. Material recovery facility. B. Indoor environmental quality. C. Site sustainability. Or D. Solid waste management.
Answers Jap D. Portia D. Rachel D. Janice D. Sandy D. Von D. Lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D. Solid waste management. And letter D is correct. And number 68 shall be provided for the collection and segregation of solid waste materials. A. Material sustainability. B. Indoor environmental quality. C. Material recovery facility. D. Solid waste management.
Answers Portia C. Janice C. Mayflower C. Jap C. Shandy C. Sandy C. Rachel C. Lahat po C.
Okay, lahat C. Material recovery facility is correct. So requirements, building shall be provided with a minimum area for MRF. MRF shall be fully enclosed and easily accessible from within the building and from the outside for easy collection of waste. Solid waste containers shall be provided for at least 4 types of waste: compostable or biodegradable, non-recyclable, recyclable, and special waste. For hospitals, isolated bins for hazardous waste shall be provided to avoid contamination. Okay. All right. And 69. As per table 15, what is the MRF minimum daily storage requirement for institutional hospital? A. 1 square meter waste storage space per 2,500 square meter TGFA plus 50% circulation space. B. 1 square meter waste storage space per 300 square meter TGFA plus 50% circulation space. And C. 1 square meter waste storage per 400 square meter plus 50%. Or D. 1 square meter waste storage space per 1,250 square meter TGFA plus 50%. A, B, C, D. Ang haba nun.
Answers Mayflower D. Janice D. Sandy D. Jap D. Portia D. Rachel D. Von D. Lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D. 1 square meter per 1,250 is correct. And number 70, what is the MRF minimum daily storage requirement for mercantile mall? Same choices, A, B, C, D. Answer?
Answers: Mayflower C, Johnny C, Sandy C, Jab C, Shandy C, Rachel C, Portia C, lahat po C.
Okay, para sa mall, 400 square meter. 1 square meter storage space. And letter C is correct. Okay, so table 15, MRF minimum daily storage space requirements. Huh? Mali yung bilog. Okay, para naman sa residential, MRF, lumabas na kanina. No? A, B, C, D, dapat wala pa yun
Answers:
eh.
Mayflower A, Portia A, Janice A, Kyra A, Sandy A, Rachel A, lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A. And puntahan lang natin yun. Wait lang ah. Okay, letter A is correct. Okay. And number 72 requires the adoption of planning, design, construction, and operation practices that minimize the adverse impact of buildings on ecosystems and water resources. A material recovery facility, B indoor environmental quality, site sustainability, or D solid waste management.
Answers: Denmark C, Johnny C, Shandy C, Sandy C, Portia C, Rachel C, lahat po C. Von C.
Okay, lahat C, nasa site pa lang pala tayo. Letter C, site sustainability is and number 73 shall be planned at the start of construction to mitigate pollution caused by erosion and sedimentation, taking into consideration existing endemic foliage as regulated by the DENR. A. Site or ground preparation and earthworks. B. Open space utilization. C. Minimum fresh air rates. Or D. Designated smoking area. Answer.
Answers: Mayflower A, Denmark A, Shandy A, Sandy A, Janice A, Portia A, Jap A, Rachel A, Kyra A, lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A tayo. Site or ground prep and earthworks is correct. So, ito yung requirements niya. And number 74, the inclusion of green areas or landscape areas for indigenous or adaptable species of grass, shrubs, and trees will help in providing more permeable surface for the building development's open space and thus allow the recharging of natural ground water reservoir, control storm water surface runoff, cool the building surroundings, and provide indoor to outdoor connectivity for the building's occupants. A. Site ground preparation and earthworks. B. Open space utilization. C. Minimum fresh air rates. Or D. Designated smoking area.
Answers: Mayflower B, Sandy B, Jap B, Rachel B, Janice B, Shandy B, Portia B, Denmark B, lahat po B.
Okay, lahat letter B. Open space utilization is correct. So requirement, a minimum of 50% of the required USA. 50%. And number 75 requires the adoption of efficient design and operation practices that take into consideration the building environment to improve occupant health, productivity, and safety. A. Material recovery facility. B. Indoor environmental quality. C. Site sustainability, solid waste management.
Answers. Portia B. Denmark B. Janice B. Sandy B. Mayflower B. Jap B. Rachel B. Shandy B. Lahat po B.
Okay, lahat B. Site indoor environmental quality. And number 76, the building indoor environment can contain more contaminants many times over than the outside. Various studies have shown that indoor air contaminants can cause health disorders through symptoms of SBS and BRI. The introduction and application of minimum fresh air rates will maintain blah blah blah. A. Site ground. B. Open space. C. Minimum fresh air rates. D. Designated smoking area.
Answers. Mayflower C. Janice C. Sandy C. Portia C. Shandy C. Rachel C. Jap C. Lahat po C.
Okay, lahat C. Minimum fresh air is correct. And number 77, requirements. Compliance to the minimum fresh air rates provided by the latest Philippine Society of Ventilating, Air Conditioning, and Refrigerating Engineers standard. And number 77, as per table 16, what is the minimum ventilation rates in breathing zone in hotel, resort, and residential dwelling condominium bedroom CMH per person? A. 8.5, B. 12.75, B. 34, D. 17.
Answers. Mayflower A. Rachel A. Janice A. Jap A. Lahat po A. Angelo
Okay,
A.
lahat A. 8, 8.5 is correct. And number 78, as per table 16, what is the minimum ventilation rates in breathing zone in public assembly spaces, museum, or for children? CMH per person 8.5, 12.75, 34, 17.
Answers. Mayflower B. Sandy B. Rachel B. Janice B. Portia B. Shandy B. Lahat po B. Jap B.
Okay, lahat B. 12.75. Correct. And number 79, as per table 16, what is the minimum ventilation rates for educational school daycare through age 4? 34, 12.75, 8.5, 17.
Answers. Mayflower D. Shandy D. Rachel D. Jap D. Janice D. Von D. Lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D, 17 is correct. And number 80, as per table 16, ano naman ang mercantile mall photo studios? 8.5, 12.75, 34, 17.
Answers. Mayflower A. Rachel A. Janice A. Portia A. Lahat po A. Jap A.
Okay, lahat A. 8.5 is correct. And number 81, environmental tobacco smoke ETS is one of the leading causes of respiratory illnesses in building occupants. RA 9211, the Tobacco Regulations Act, restrict tobacco smoking in public spaces and the prescription of designated smoking areas inside buildings. A. Site ground. B. Open space. C. Minimum fresh air. D. Designated smoking area. Ang haba-haba ng quiz.
Answers made for D. Janice D. Jap D. Shandy D. Rachel D. Portia D. Rogin P. Lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D. Designated smoking. Kailangan daw merong designated smoking area. And letter D is correct. Okay, sa requirement, if smoking is only allowed outdoors, designated smoking areas shall be naturally ventilated outside of the building shell and away from the building entrances, windows, and outside supply air intakes by at least 10 meters. So 10 meters dapat at least 10 meters. Number 82. Oops, mabas na nasobra ako. Okay. So, as per Section 16, the Secretary of the DPWH as the concurrent national building official pursuant to Section 203 of the National Building Code through the NBCDO shall regularly review the Green Building Code not to exceed blank years from the date of activity and every blank years thereafter. 55223311. At nakita na natin kanina.
Answers made for C. Portia C. Janice D. Rachel C. Sandy C. Lahat po C.
Yes, yan. 3 years from the date of activity and 3 years thereafter. Okay, congratulations. And number 83, CCC stands for A. Climate Change Condition. B. Climate Change Commission. C. Climate Commission Change. D. Commission Climate Change.
Answers made for B. Janice B. Shandy B. Renmark B. Rogin B. Jap B. Portia B. Rachel B. Lahat po B.
Okay, lahat B is correct. Okay, number 84. This Green Building Code shall take effect blank days after its publication once a week for 3 consecutive weeks in a newspaper of general circulation. A20, B10, C5, D15.
Answers. Landmark D. Portia D. Jap D. Me for D. Sandy D. Janice D. Lahat po D. Rachel D.
Okay, letter D, 15 days is correct. Okay, sa terminologies na tayo ng building code, ng Green Building Code. Number 85, the process of treating air so as to control simultaneously its temperature, humidity, cleanliness, and distribution to meet the requirements of conditioned space. A. Air condition. B. Air conditioner. C. Air conditioning. D. Air condition.
Answers made for C. Rachel C. Portia C. Jap C. Landmark C. Janice C. Sandy C. Shandy C. Lahat po C.
Okay, lahat C. Letter C is correct. And number 86, Global Society founded in 1894, advancing human well-being through sustainable technology for the built environment with focus on building systems, energy efficiency, indoor air quality, refrigeration, and sustainability within the industry. A. Air Conditioning, Heating, and Refrigeration Institute. B. American Society of Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning Engineers. B. Building Owner and Managers Association of the Philippines. D. Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers of the Philippines. Sabi ni Bod, B.
Answers: Mayflower A, Rachel A, Mayflower changed to B, Renmark D, Janice B, Portia B, Shandy B, Rachel B, Jap B, Von B, Angelo B, lahat po B.
Angelo B. Okay, letter B tayo kasi American Society is correct. And number 87, amount of heat energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit. A. Coefficient of performance. B. Energy efficiency ratio. C. Overall thermal transfer value. Or D. British thermal unit.
Answers: Mayflower D, Jap D, Janice D, Denmark D, Angelo D, Rachel D, Portia D, Von D, lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D. BTU. And British thermal unit is correct. And number 88, measure of the energy consumption of a building envelope. A. Coefficient of performance. B. Energy efficiency ratio. C. Overall thermal transfer value. Or D. R value.
Answers: Mayflower C, Jap C, Janice C, Angelo C, Rachel C, Portia C, lahat po C.
Okay, letter C ang mga sagot natin. Letter C is correct. And number 89, ratio of heating or cooling provided to electrical energy consumed where higher COPs equate to lower operating costs. A. Coefficient of performance. B. Energy efficiency ratio, U value, R value.
Answers: Mayflower A, Janice A, Jap B, Von A, Portia A, Jap change to A, Shandy A, Bill B, Rachel A, Renmark A, Bill at saka B or A pang sagot.
Okay, B or A, pero ang daming nag-letter A. Coefficient. The higher COP daw equate to lower operating costs. So, COP, coefficient. And letter A is correct. Okay, congrats sa lahat ng letter A. Higher COP, lower operating costs. Parang EER din, no? 90. The natural light of day, which is a combination of all direct and indirect sunlight during the daytime. A. Daylight. B. Daylight zone. C. Light monitor. D. Light scope.
Answers: Mayflower A, Portia A, Von A, Shandy A, Rachel A, Janice A, Jap A, Angelo A, lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A. Daylight is correct. And 91, a class of ways that has a unique regulatory requirements with potential environmental impacts that needs to be managed to minimize the risk of harm to the environment and human health. A. Recyclable waste. B. Toxic waste. C. Special waste. D. Dangerous waste.
Answers: Mayflower C, Janice C, Angelo C, Von C, Jap C, lahat po C.
Okay, lahat C.
Rachel
Special.
C.
Ito yung may pula. Yung basura na may kulay pula. Special waste is correct. And number 92, energy efficiency rating for central air conditioners. A. Seasonal energy efficiency ratio, SEER. B. Energy efficiency ratio, EER. U value, R value. Sagot natin.
Hello, it's me.
Answers: Portia A, Janice A, Jap A, Rachel A, lahat po A.
Okay, letter A, seasonal energy efficiency ratio. Correct. A 93 south-facing skylight that uses tilted panels of transparent glass to strategically bring daylight into an interior space. A daylight, B daylight zone, light monitor, light scoop.
Answers made for D, Portia D, Jap D, Janice D, Kyra D, Bill D, Rachel D, lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D, light scoop is correct. N94 is a duly registered non-stock non-profit organization, the members of which are consultant, contractors, manufacturers, suppliers, who are involved in the practice of air conditioning, ventilation, and refrigeration system. A. Air Conditioning, Heating, and Refrigeration Institute. B. Philippine Society of Ventilating, Air Conditioning, Refrigerating Engineers, PS BARE. C. BOMAP. D. IIEE.
Answers made for D, Portia B, Janice B, Kyra B, Shandy B, Jap B, Von B, Rachel B, lahat po B.
Okay, lahat B. PS BARE is correct. And 95, resistance value or the capacity to resist heat loss or its thermal resistance. A. Seasonal energy. B. Energy efficiency ratio. U value or value.
Answers made for D, Janice D, Jap D, Shandy D, Portia D, Kyra D, Von D, Rachel D, lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D. R value is correct. And 96, an item or material capable of being used again. Recyclable, toxic, special, dangerous.
Answers made for A, Shandy A, Portia A, Jap A, Rachel A, Kyra A, Janice A, lahat po A.
Okay, lahat A. Recyclable waste is correct. And 97, a measure of a material's ability to reflect heat with white or light colors having high reflectance and dark or black surfaces with low or little reflectance, thereby having higher temperatures. A. Overall thermal transfer value. B. Photoelectric sensor. C. Solar heat gain coefficient. Or D. Solar reflectance index, SRI.
Answers made for D, Portia D, Janice D, Kyra D, Jap D, Shandy D, Von D, Rachel D, lahat po D.
Okay, lahat D. SRI is correct. Oh. And 98 describes how well a building element conducts heat, measuring the rate of heat transfer through a building element over a given area under standardized condition. A. Overall thermal transfer value. B. Energy efficiency ratio. C. U value. D. R value.
Answers made for C, Portia C, Janice C, Jap C, Kyra C, Shandy C, Rachel C, lahat po C.
Okay, lahat C. U value is correct. Malapit na matapos. Okay, number 99. Employs frequency inverter technology which regulates input voltage and frequency through the journey, drawing much less current during the acceleration and deceleration. A. Variable speed drive. B. Variable voltage and variable frequency. C. Outside supply air. D. Enthalpy recovery wheel.
Answers made for D, Portia B, Janice B, Jap B, Shandy B, Rachel B, Kimson B, lahat po B.
Okay, lahat B. And letter B is correct. Okay, sabi ni Job. Okay, the last but not the least, ang ating panghuling question, number 100. An energy recovery device that transfers outgoing temperature and humidity to the incoming outdoor air. Material recovery facility, harmonics, outside supply air, enthalpy recovery wheel. Answer?
Answers made for D. Jap, D. Kaya, D. Janice, D. Rogin, D. Rachel, D. Shandy, D. Liza, D. Kinson, D. Janice, D. Lahat po, D. Portia, D.
Okay, congratulations! Okay, maraming salamat and code for